Economy on this dashboard starts with a currency you name yourself, then daily, weekly, and work rewards, booster perks, a coin-powered soundboard, and the shop and leaderboard channels that tie the whole loop together. Every control, one video. This is the economy tab, your server's own currency system. Daily and weekly rewards, a work command members can grind, and a real economy loop underneath it all. Quick map, the currency itself, every reward amount, booster perks, a coin-powered soundboard, the shop and leaderboard channels, and which economy commands are even turned on. And right here, a live list of the actual / commands this tab controls balance, pay, the whole play group, color shop, admin tools, all of it. First switch, economy system enabled. Everything below rewards, the soundboard, the shop depends on this one toggle. Name your currency singular and plural forms. Since 1 coin and 5 coins need to read differently, plus an emoji that shows up everywhere the bot mentions a balance. Reward amounts. A flat daily claim, a bigger weekly claim, and a work command that pays out a random range between a minimum and a maximum every single time it runs. New members can start with a balance instead of 0, and X beta coin conversion turns leveling progress into spendable currency too, at whatever rate you set here. Boosters get their own perks, a coin bonus the moment someone boosts the server, plus an optional bonus roll and a VIP channel just for them. Save it, and it's live immediately. A member-funded soundboard. Add a sound with just a name and a URL, and it costs coins to play in a voice channel, a fun coin sync that gives the economy somewhere to go besides just sitting in the bank. Delete at any time from the same list. Pick the channel where shop activity actually posts so buying and earning coins doesn't flood every channel on the server. A separate leaderboard channel with an auto-update switch that keeps the richest members on display without anyone lifting a finger. And if any single economy command doesn't fit your server, risky ones like rob, team heists, or phishing command permissions, switch them off individually without touching anything else. Here's the loop in action. A member claims their daily coins, works a shift for more, and takes a shot at robbing someone else's coins, actually changing hands in real time. Win or lose, the economy keeps moving, coins get spent in the shop, and the leaderboard updates itself, exactly like the channel you just set up. That was every control on the economy tab: currency, rewards, booster perks, the soundboard, and the shop and leaderboard channels. Try it free at ascensionbot.hu, the link is in the description. Next up in the series, the setup wizard, the guided flow that can turn on and configure everything you've seen across news, auto mod, tickets, leveling, and now economy in just a few guided steps. Subscribe so you don't miss it.